In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Kajabi. We'll break it down into easy steps, ensuring that you're guided through the entire process from start to finish. Let's dive in. First, open Kajabi and locate the website option in the left menu. Click on this and then select landing pages. Alternatively, you can go through the website tab and then navigate to the landing section. Look for the plus new landing page button, or if you're starting fresh, the Get Started option, which will activate the landing page wizard. This handy tool is especially helpful if you haven't built a landing page before, as it walks you through the entire process with the help of pre-designed templates. Now onto choosing the right template. Kajabi offers a range of templates designed to suit various goals, whether you're aiming to capture leads, create a sales page, send a thank you message, or organize event registrations. These pre-built templates provide a structured foundation that can save you a lot of time while also optimizing the layout for your specific needs. With your template chosen, it's time to set up your basic page information. Start by giving your landing page a clear and concise title, which will also form a part of the URL. Ensure that your site's branding elements, like the logo and default colors or fonts, are confirmed. Remember, you can always customize these later in the editor according to your preferences. Once the basics are locked down, it's time to delve into the customization of the layout and content. Kajabi's visual editor allows you to modify various sections on your landing page. From the hero section and headlines to detailed benefits, testimonials, pricing options, and call to action buttons, everything can be tailored to fit your brand's voice and message. Replace any placeholder images or videos with assets specific to your brand. Be sure your CTA button text is clear and compelling, inspiring users to take action like get the checklist or reserve my spot. The editor will automatically update your preview as you go along, offering a real-time look at any adjustments you make. Next, incorporate an opt-in form or a clear CTA action. If you're creating a lead page, insert a form block where you can gather names and emails and choose what happens next, like redirecting to a thank you page. For a sales page, link your CTA buttons directly to a purchase offer or marketing pipeline. Kajabi seamlessly integrates your landing pages with offers, email campaigns, and automated marketing funnels to process leads or transactions efficiently. Don't overlook configuring your SEO and tracking settings. Set a meta title, description, and optimize for social media sharing with a featured image. Integrating tracking IDs such as Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel will enable you to monitor conversions and retarget users with ads. Before publishing, use the preview function to thoroughly test all forms and CTA actions, ensuring they work correctly. Confirm that submissions add contacts to the appropriate lists, and that CTA buttons direct users to the intended offers or follow-up pages. Also, verify the page's mobile responsiveness to ensure all features work on smaller screens. Finally, when you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and publish your landing page. If you want it easily accessible from your website, consider adding it to a navigation menu. Otherwise, you can use the page independently for targeted advertising or specific campaigns. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating a landing page in Kajabi. Each step is crucial in ensuring your page functions smoothly and aligns with your goals. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing your stunning landing page